Lesson 20. Eating Habits. Adverbs of frequency.
So, Hana, tell me, do you cook much?
Yes, I always cook. I often cook with my roommate, and we always make Chinese of Japanese food. How about you?
Well, I don't really cook that often. I'm really busy during the week, so I always just get something at the shop and get that. But during the weekends, I always cook during the weekends because I really like making food. That's what I do.
So, do you ever eat out?
Only occasionally because I'm really busy during the week and I prefer cooking, so not really often. I don't go out really often to eat whenever I'm tired and I don't have time to cook during the week. I go and eat out with a friend. So, and you?
Well, so I normally go and eat out during the weekend with my friends or family.
So, do you ever buy takeaway?
No, I never. Normally, when I go out to eat, I like to sit and enjoy my food. How about you?
Well, that's really nice. Of course, I do like to sit and enjoy my food, but I have to admit that occasionally I have to buy takeaway, especially when I'm coming late from work and I'm driving. I'm so hungry that most of the time I don't really make it home, so I have to buy something on my way. And that's a shame, so that's the way it is. And do you usually have people over for dinner?
Yes, I sometimes do. I really like cooking, so occasionally I invite my friends over and cook for them, or we all cook together. How about you?
Not really. I do love cooking, but the problem is my place is really small, so even though I want to invite my friends, I never do it because my place would only fit 1 or 2 people. So unfortunately, I never have my friends over for dinner.